Which campaign objective should you select for your Facebook ads campaigns?
So that ultimately depends on your main goal or objective of running the overall Facebook campaign. So I usually always recommend having a consistent brand awareness campaign running, whether it's a video or a single image. You can usually run those for a small daily budget, but it's, keep it consistent, stay top of mind, target your remarketing list, your lookalike with a brand awareness campaign. If you are looking to drive actual business and sales, if you're e-commerce, I usually recommend choosing the sales objective. If you're, a service business, I definitely recommend choosing traffic. But you can also, we see a lot of really good results choosing a leads campaign. So for example, if you're running, a real estate business and you're looking to get leads, there you can choose a lead generation campaign, and there users can fill in their information directly within the ad itself. And then you can set up, a third-party system like Zapier where you can get those emails sent directly to you in real time. If you have a mobile app that you want to promote, there's an app promotion objective. And then, of course, you have your engagement objective, which definitely helps. Facebook looks at, engagement on ads as a part of their algorithm in terms of where your ads are going to appear. So definitely, you could also run an engagement campaign along with the awareness campaign, and that'll help get your ads in those top ranking positions.